The webcast platform offers CPE for purchase through a system of tokens. It is exactly like if you've ever purchased CPE through other providers through a pass, through an all-access pass or a certain number of credits pass. This works the same way, but it's much more flexible. A token is the equivalent of a credit hour. So an 8 credit hour course can be acquired for 8 tokens. A 2 credit hour class can be acquired for 2 tokens. When you are logged in, go up here to account, and then over here on the left, you'll see tokens. If you are interested in an 8-hour course, you are going to purchase 8 tokens. The cost per token segment will be highlighted. If you wish to buy 2 8-hour courses, 16 tokens. And if you wish to participate in all 3 of Back to Basics federal tax updates, that's going to be 24. You'll see the next bulk discount per token price is activated, and that's what you'll be charged. Now here's where things get really convenient. If you are purchasing tokens on behalf of your entire firm, say there are 5 of you in the firm who wish to take a single 8-hour class, that adds up to 40 tokens. Tokens are transferable. You would come into the box here, type in 40 tokens, and the next bulk discount price is activated. At that point, if you're ready to purchase, click on buy. It does the calculation for you. That is what you'll be charged if you click yes. Now, we have other videos that'll show how coupon codes may impact your purchasing decision and how to distribute the tokens you've purchased on behalf of your firm to your staff members. We have a couple of very convenient options for that. There'll be separate videos explaining that.